Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Abdul Hadi Irwala, currently studying in foundation level, batch 6, Rehan School, Lahore campus. So everyone, welcome to our today's interview. Today I am here with my mama. So, Mama, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay, Mama. So, can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yes, I am a housemaker as well as a working woman.
Okay, Mama. So, how do you usually organize your day?
Yes, Abdurradi, first of all, my priority is my family, my children, my home, my husband. So, first of all, when I wake up, I start my day with serving my family, and then I go to office.
Okay, Mama. So, what does a typical working day look like for you?
Working day as a woman, every day is a working day, whether at home or in field. So, but we are passionate about our work at home as well as in working space.
Okay, Mama. So, how do you balance your profession and personal responsibilities?
Uh, yes, Abdulati, I have managed my both responsibilities by dividing my time. I give a few hours at my working place and the rest of the time at home. So I can manage both of them.
Okay, Mama. So, what is your biggest challenge when managing your time?
Yes, sometimes it happens that there are few hours. I go to office for 4 hours. My working time is 4 hours. But sometimes it happens that I have to give more time at home, and I have a few time for my workplace. But I manage them. I do some work early at night so that I can my work also don't suffer and my home also don't suffer. These are the strategies we have to make every day.
Okay, so how do you decide which tasks are most important?
No, both works are important, and according to their importance, we manage them.
Okay, so do you make a daily or weekly schedule about your work?
Yes, I do. Usually, I have to make my schedule per day. As a working woman, also works at home and also at her workplace, so both the things get mixed. So we have to make a to-do list even sometimes in mind, sometime in written way, so that we can remember all the tasks to be done.
Okay, so what tools do you use to manage your time? Do
No,
you use
Abdulati.
any tools?
No, we don't use tools, and we have engaged you people in learning tools and using those tools to manage your routine. We usually use our brain to manage everything.
Okay, so how do you plan your day before going to work?
Yes, I have. My work is like that I have to work in the evening. I go to work after my children come back home. So I have helpers at home, and I take help from them. Because of them, it becomes easy for me to manage everything.
Okay, so how do you handle unexpected tasks or emergencies?
Yes, It happens at both places, even at home. Sometimes we don't have idea guests are going to come, and we have to manage. So they get managed. Usually, some things are prepared already, and in the working place, either we work before the day we have to submit our work, so we work it before.
Okay, so managing the lot of things like work, family. So, how do you make the time for yourself?
Yes, it's extremely important for everyone, whether they are men or women, the children, everyone. Usually, I make time for myself in the early morning after Fajr prayer. I go for walk with my husband, and it refreshes me. And usually, I have time for 2 hours in the early morning for me that I call me time.
Okay, so do you delegate some tasks to others?
Yes, I do. It happens sometimes. You cannot do everything yourself. You have to divide it in other people also. So in my house, I have the house help. I usually ask her the work I can't do, and in the working place there are many employees under me, from whom I take help.
Okay, so how do you avoid wasting time during the workday?
I can't understand your question. What are you asking?
Okay, so I am repeating again that how do you avoid wasting time during the workday?
Yes, I think a very cute answer is that we are mothers, and usually we don't waste our time, and we have neither the time to waste.
Okay, so how do you deal with the distractions at work?
Yes. As you have used the word distraction, the most important distraction nowadays is the cell phone, social media, mobile phone. I usually have limited time hours for the working place, so I usually focus on my work. I don't use these sort of distraction tools during that time, so that I can complete my work in the given time.
Okay, so how do you manage meetings and deadlines?
Yes, it usually happens that we knew it early, that we had a meeting, or we had a deadline that has to be completed. So we usually try that we complete it as early as possible, without waiting for the deadline, yeah, without waiting for the last day.
Okay, so how do you decide what to do first when you have many tasks?
It depends on priorities. The work which has more priority, which is more important, I do it earlier, and the work that is less important, I do it later.
Okay, so how do you make sure you get enough rest after managing all these things?
Yes. Usually I sleep early in the evening. Sometimes it gets late even, but usually I try my best that I sleep at 10 o'clock in the evening, so that I can wake up early in the morning, offer namaz prayer, and go for a walk to maintain my health. So I try my level best.
Okay, so how important is waking up early to your daily routine?
Yes, it's very important because we usually nowadays, as you people know, you children, are trying to learn computer, and most of the work is being done on the laptops. So what happened that you have to sit all the day while working even. So I try my level best to do a morning walk so that I can maintain my health.
Okay, so how do you handle work that needs to be completed after office hours?
Yes, I work with a clothing brand, and they are very supportive to usually to the ladies who are mothers, who are caretaker of their house. So they give us flexibility. If we have not completed our task in the given time, they give us a bit time more.
Okay, so how do you handle work? Okay, so how do you manage time between work and social activities?
Yes, usually the all the social activities are on the weekends or on the off days, so they are easily managed. Usually they are on off days, so I can attend all those social activities as well.
Okay, so is there any time when your daily schedule suddenly changes?
Yes, it do happen sometime.
Okay, so how do you manage your time when your schedule changes and the deadlines and family responsibilities at the same time?
Yes, I told you earlier that I had a house help at my home, and I take her help. I have her help all the day, so it does not become difficult for me to manage these things.
Okay,
If
so
something,
do you
if
prefer
something,
plans
our
your day the night before in the morning?
yes, I don't. Please repeat the question.
Okay, so how do you manage your time during weekends? Like how you spend your weekends?
Yes, usually it is with the family. We work all the week for the company. So at the end of the week, I usually give time to my family. We sometimes refreshment.
I think there was an introduction problem, so I am repeating the question again. That how do you manage your time during weekends?
Yes, I usually cook my children favorite dishes on the weekend.
Okay, so how do you manage your time when you are
Refreshment.
feeling stressed?
There is some problem होगा देखो.
नहीं मैंने एक नया पूछे हाउ डू यू मैनेज योर टाइम व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग स्ट्रेस्ड.
ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. Yes, the question you asked me, the answer to this question is very simple and close to my heart. I have a strong connection to my Allah, and whenever I feel stressed, I usually offer the prayer, recite Quran, and do zikr azkar. Because of that, I get relieved. I only believe in that we should connect ourselves to Allah, and the stress goes automatically.
Okay, so what helps you stay motivated? I think, are you listening me?
Yes.
Okay, I am repeating the question that That what helps you stay motivated?
Um, about my home.
About all things like your office, your home, your anything.
Yes, at the home, I am a wife as well as mother. So the motherhood, or I think it keeps me motivated. And when we are going to a working place, so it is a skill, and we usually earn money. So that is also a need, and it also motivated.
Okay, so
I
do you
will give
set
you a two
time
answers.
limits for different activities?
Yes, repeat again.
Okay, so do you set time limits for different activities?
Yes, particularly the use of mobile phone or social media. I'll set my time limit for them. I intentionally use it for a particular time.
Okay, so how your family play? How role does your family play in in helping you manage your time?
Yes, they play a very important role, whether it is my husband or my children. They both help me. My husband helps me to manage my time as as he has allowed me to have a house help at home to manage my work. And if my children are concerned, so they also help me out. Now they are mashallah elder enough to manage their things on their own, so I don't have to do much work for them. They usually manage their tasks themselves, so by this they help me.
Are you listening me?
Yes.
Okay, so do you think working women have more time management challenges than men? Why or why not?
Because in our social circle, usually the men do not have to contribute much in their house tasks, in their home tasks, and the woman has to do her home tasks as well as the workplace tasks. So she has to manage dual things. Because of that, it sometimes become difficult for a woman, but alhamdulillah we don't have that difficulty.
Okay, so how do you make sure you have quality time with the people you love?
Yes, I make it pretty sure that I spend a good quality time with my with the people that are surrounding me, my family, my children, my husband, and all other members in my house, to make my relations and make my relationship stronger.
Okay, so what do you do when you feel overwhelmed by your responsibilities?
Mm, you mean that when I become overstressed because of them?
Overwhelmed.
Okay. Ask some other question. Usually it happens, it does not happen because, and the reason is motherhood that does not let me down usually. And if I become overwhelmed, so my only solution is to connect to Allah.
Okay, so What is one habit you wish you had developed earlier?
Repeat question.
Okay, I'm repeating. Is there any habit you wish you had developed earlier?
Mm, yes, I think that the tools which you people are learning at this age, it would have been possible that we should learn it earlier, so that we can even compete. I don't use the word compete. We can walk with you parallel. So I think this is the only you can say regret, that we have not learned these IT basics, which we feel difficult, and because of that reason, I have engaged you in learning these all tools, so that you do not regret about it.
Okay, so what is your best advice for women who want to successfully balance career and personal life?
But I think that they should keep both of the lives separate. They should not bring their work stress to the home, and even they should not take their home stress to the workplace. By this, I think they can balance it.
Okay, thank you so much, brother, for giving the answers and joining my interview. So, until next time, take care. Allah Hafiz.
You are most welcome, my beloved son, and I am very happy that you are succeeding in achieving your goal. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.
Allah.